What's up, friends of YouTube? Here Thunderwolf, and this video is about how to solve a smartphone problem. And before I tell you what the problem is, I have to tell you that to solve this problem, you need an iPhone and a Bluetooth keyboard. Yes, this is the real deal and a promotion for iPhones. I recommend to make sure that the Bluetooth keyboard is compatible with the iPhone. What does that mean? It means make sure that all the buttons of the Bluetooth keyboard works on the iPhone. What does that mean? It means make sure that you can do hotkeys and key combinations, at least 2 button key combinations. And I also have to tell you that this solution only works on iPhones, not on Androids. You're asking why? I tried multiple times, different things. And while iPhone has the whole system for Bluetooth keyboards to work on any app or program you use, Android, there's different types of Androids, and most of them just has a part of the system, and it doesn't only just depend on that. It also depends on the people that create the apps or programs. If they decide to not put part of the system, or if they forget to put the system, it won't work. So now that I said that, I'm going to tell you what the problem is. The problem is on the Messenger app, specifically on the marketplace messages. And you're saying, what problem can you have there? Well, let's say you want to archive or delete messages. And you're saying, I can do that, right? Well, if it's 10 or 30 messages, you can do it. But what if it's 100 or over 100 messages? Well, the problem is there's no select all option. You have to manually click on every button, every message you want to delete. There's no other way. But I have the solution, and you probably don't know about this problem. But if you're the people that like to help older people, well, you know about this problem, or you will be knowing about this problem. Well, that's about it. Let's go. Alright guys, so let's start. The first thing you gotta do is have Messenger app, log in, have your Bluetooth keyboard, turn it on, connect it to the phone, and after you do that, you go to the Messenger. I'm gonna blur stuff out because it's private, it's my stuff, so messages are blurred out. You go to marketplace messages, right? And here I'm also gonna blur out a few things of the messages. And the very first thing you gotta do, like, there's 2 important things you gotta do before the solution. So the very first thing you gotta do is you gotta load all the messages. You gotta scroll down manually with your finger. Just scroll down, keep loading messages, all the messages you wanna archive or delete, and just keep scrolling. And let's say you got 100 or over 100, right? Just keep loading them. Just scroll without the keyboard. Keep scrolling. After you loaded all the messages you want to archive or delete, you go back up, right? You just scroll back up. After that, now you're gonna use your Bluetooth keyboard, but before starting to use it, like, turn it on but don't use it yet. You're gonna manually hit or click edit. You're gonna see bubbles on the side of the messages, and the second important thing you gotta do is you gotta click the very first message, the very first bubble you want to archive or delete. You gotta click it manually. All right, so let's say the very first one is this one. After you have that done, you go to the Bluetooth keyboard, you hit shift, you press and hold shift, and you press and hold down arrow. Just try it twice or as many as you need, but hold them down. You see the top number? You see how it's changing and increasing? Even though the screen is not scrolling, the keyboard is selecting all the messages you just loaded. And you see I have 100. And if you scroll down with your finger, you're gonna see them all selected, 100 messages. You see how fast? Well, that's the solution. So that's about it. I hope you guys liked it. Leave a like, subscribe, share this with your friends, or if you don't want to post it through social media, just share with a friend or a family member or older person you know that you help, and save it so you can have it for later and don't lose it. That's about it. Leave a comment, positive comments, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Peace.